Hello, everyone. Once again, welcome to another live stream. Yes, welcome to another live stream. So, in today's stream, we're going to be doing basically, I'm going to be playing some more, like, Roblox, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to be playing some more Roblox. Alright, I'm just going to go and... Wait, hold on. Before I start playing Roblox, I think someone just bodied my stream. Someone just bodied my stream, man. I think somebody just literally bodied my stream, man. Someone bodied my stream, man. Like, it's literally just a bunch of bots watching the stream now. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. I think it came from the middle of nowhere. Anyways, I'm going to be playing some Roblox. You know, why not? Why not play some Roblox? Yeah, I am going to give this game a 50% ratio. A 50% ratio. Okay? I'm just going to give this Roblox game a 50% ratio. Yeah, let's refresh and hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. I am giving it a dislike. A dislike. It was supposed to be 50%, but yeah. I guess I got scammed for it. I got scammed. I am giving it a 50%. Not gonna do it. I am not based on that. Let's get into something. But we are gonna ignore the foundation of the view buyers because there was a bunch of view buyers in the stream. Every time the view buyers just always want to stream. Well, I am not, like, I'm literally about to not let that slide. Not happening. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Why? It's because. So, to log out, so that I can switch accounts. Because remember, I am switching accounts. I am switching accounts. I am going to be switching some quitting accounts. However, first things first, I have two-step verification on my other account I have, which I'm going to now be disabling because I just probably don't need two-step verification on it. I just probably don't need it on it, you know. So I'm just going to download Roblox on my old phone. And also, share my screen. The iPhone is not here because my iPhone's not working because it needs to get like a major reset. A major reset. So I guess I'll have to use this for the foreseeable future until I get a new phone, which hopefully it happens in December of that year. December of that year. Yeah, hopefully it happens in December of that year. I'm going to go on Roblox and immediately disable the two-step verification. The two-step verification isn't supported on iPhone. So I'm going to go on the account and just immediately disable to immediately disable two-step verification. That's the now this time is two-step verification. So I need to do something about it and then just immediately just disable it. Yeah, disable it. That's what I need to do. I need to disable it. I need to disable it. I'm just not a shelter. I'm not a shelter. I'm going to say more. And then turn off two-step verification. I don't need that on. I don't need that on anymore. I don't need that on anymore. Not enough. It's in security. It's in security. And I do have two-step verification, but I will immediately disable. It will be immediately disabled. However, I don't care. I am disabling two-step verification because I log into Xbox. For the email response. Email response. What is it? What is it? Please, please, 9, 63009. Damn it. Invalid code. What do you mean? What do you mean invalid code? Invalid code. There you go. I just immediately disabled two-step verification. I disabled two-step verification. So I can finally log in to that account. Instead of the other account. There you go. Now it's logged in. It's logged in. Now it's logged in. So I think I immediately disabled the two-step account. Two-step account. I'm now finally logged into Roblox and play. Yeah, I can finally log into Roblox and play. Alright, let's get ready to play. Yeah, let's get ready to play Roblox. Alright. And I got teleported to the player server because